Hazrat Bahaz reports from his father who came, and he reports it from his Bahaz grandfather Muawiyah bin Haida, and he reports from the Prophet ﷺ that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, as compared to the people, deserves more that one must feel shy of him. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet ﷺ said, Banu Israel used to take a bath in the nude and look at one another, whereas Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam used to take a bath alone. The people said, By God, Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam does not take a bath along with us because of his swollen testicles, scrotal hernia. Once he intended to take a bath and put his clothes on a rock. The rock ran away, taking his clothes, and Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam chased it, saying, O rock, my clothes, O rock, my clothes, till Banu Israel saw Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam and said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Moosa has not contracted any disease. He took back his clothes and beat the rock. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, there are 6 or 7 marks on the rock because of Hazrat Moosa's beating. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 278.